Day 3. The Ideal Vision. Blessing Others Sunrise. Hashtag New Positivity TV. Here's the positivity. We use our success as a platform to bless others. The vision for 2026 is clear. Prayer, focus, and good work. As we count down the final 3 days to Christmas, we look toward the horizon. At New Positivity TV, our mission is to help you get the most out of your life in a kind and respectful way. By staying best in class for our families and utilizing every tool at our fingertips, including AI, we are building a future based on integrity. We don't give up. We focus, we pray, and we work to be a blessing to everyone we touch. Thank you to our 96,203 plus strong community for walking this path of excellence with us. Anchor mission in action. New Positivity TV and my business. Portable storage for sale, container storage. Aportstorage. www.aportstorage.com. Built on integrity. 4.8-star Google rating. Subscribe and join the movement to New Positivity TV for more daily inspiration. Smash the bell and like. Hashtags. Hashtag New Positivity TV. Hashtag Vision 2026. Hashtag Bless Others. Hashtag Prayer and Work. Hashtag Day 3. Hashtag Integrity.